Hi everyone, it's officially law school application season. My name is Rahika, I'm an LSAT coach and admissions consultant with Juris Prep, and today we're going to be talking about one of the most important parts of your law school application, your letters of recommendation. Letters of recommendation are super important because it allows the admissions committee to hear from other perspectives about why you are a great applicant to their institution. Therefore, it is super important to ask the right people that know you well and will write very highly on your behalf. Now, when asking somebody to write your letter of recommendation, this can be done through email or in person, preferably in person, but certainly email is totally fine. And you want to emphasize two major things. First, when you're having this conversation with them or emailing them, you want to make it super clear why you're asking them specifically to write your recommendation. So that can be something like, you know me super well, I've taken your class several times, you've been my employer for several years, things that really demonstrate why you chose them to write your letter and why it's important to you that they are somebody that speaks on your behalf. And secondly, you also want to emphasize exactly the position you're applying for and maybe certain things that you want highlighted in your application. So this could mean sending them maybe a copy of your resume or your personal statement or other application materials. Some recommenders might ask you for this directly and others might just accept it if you send it over to them. But if you feel comfortable, this is helpful in telling the recommenders the things that you are hoping to emphasize in your application so that they can maybe include, highlight, or otherwise use that in their letter. I know it may feel awkward to ask somebody to write a strong letter on your behalf, but this is a super important part of the law school application. And if you're sensing any hesitancy, likely that's not a letter that you're going to want included in your application if they're hesitant to write it to begin with. So you might want to think of somebody else if this does become an awkward conversation. If you have any other questions about letters of recommendation or any other part of your law school application, definitely schedule a free consultation with Juris Prep today. All of our admissions consultants are eager and ready to help you.